Out and about today to try this comic Filipino or Kanto-style fried chicken food stuff na nag-offer ng Unli Gravy and Unli Rice. Sounds good to me! Sakto tinamad kaming magluto sa bahay kaya tara, boss chicks tayo! To be honest, nag-crave din talaga kami sa Pinoy-style fried chicken kaya eto napadpad kami sa Kalindola to try their whole chicken for only 320 pesos. At ayan na nga, sakto, nagsimula na rin pala si Bossing na i-coat ang mga chicken at super excited and gutom na rin talaga kami. Naglalaway na nga ako at gusto ko na rin talaga kumain ng crunchy and juicy chicken. And finally, luto na! Look at that! Nagutom ka rin, no? But to be honest, hindi namin yan naubos kasi ang laki ng chicken for its price. At ayun na nga, pinahiwa namin kay Kuya into small pieces para ready to eat na rin kami. And since we already mentioned na Pinoy-style fried chicken ang kinikater nila, syempre Pinoy style of eating tayo na nakakamay. Of course, may available plastic gloves naman sila on the side. And our favorite part? Unli Gravy! Hindi lang sa chicken, pati sa rice. Yay! Since apat kami, malaki naman yung whole chicken nila, I would say na very sulit to for its price. Kasi not only we're full and very busog, but also nakapag-take out pa kami. Meron din silang service water sa area, so no need to worry sa extra charge for the drink. Natuwa rin naman ako na may CCTV sila sa area. At syempre, hindi pwedeng hindi tayo mag-refill ng gravy. More gravy, Unli Gravy pa more. And for their payment method, pwede rin pala magbayad sa kanila through GCash. And of course, to end the dine-in experience, pwede kayong mag-tip kila kuya ha. Salamat po sa masarap na pagkain at kwentuhan mga boss. Kaya kung nag-crave din kayo sa Kanto-style fried chicken, they are just located at Acacia Street, Barangay Calindola, San Pedro City, Laguna. At hindi kayo maliligaw kasi along main road lang sila. They are open from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. daily. Sugod na sa boss chicks! Bye!